Hi, this is Manish from Uni-Trend Technology, and right now we are at Electronica Exhibition, Bangalore. So this is the first time we are participating, and we are into the field of test and measuring instrument since 1988. We were known for the handheld equipments, but we have a wide range of benchtop instruments. So that includes the oscilloscopes, mixed signal oscilloscopes, the spectrum analyzers, the power supplies, the programmable nodes, AC power supplies, micrometer, the battery tester, temperature loggers, many products what we have, including waveform generator and high resolution multimeters. So this is a booth over here in Bangalore since last 3 days, and many of visitors visited over here, and they appreciated our product range, our accuracies, our features, our specifications. So I would like to take this opportunity to let you know whomsoever has not come over here to let you know about what products we have. So let's have a round of our booth. So this is the product what we have. This is a UPO 1000X series, and this is a four-channel oscilloscope over here. This four-channel oscilloscope comes into the three different models: the 50 megahertz model, the 100 megahertz model, and the 200 megahertz model. The sampling rate is 2 giga sampling per second, and when I am using all the four channels together, then the sampling goes to the 500 mega samplings per second. The beauty of this product is that it also has a memory of 56 mega point. That is one of the best standard into this particular segment. That four channel, 2 giga sampling, 56 mega point. That makes a huge difference with other people. It has the built-in digital voltmeter. It has a built-in seven-digit frequency counter, and if you see the accurate sensitivity, it goes from 500 microvolts to the 20 volts per division. That is one of the best beauty of what product is, that it is having a sensitivity of 500 microvolts, so you can capture a very low amplitude signal, and 20 volts you can capture the high amplitude signal as well. It has hardware-based RS-32, I2C, SPI triggering and decode, and it comes with a LAN interface, USB host and device. Another thing is the 100 megahertz model is having a feature of upgrading the bandwidth into the 200 megahertz. So if user invests today into 100 megahertz oscilloscope, in future he has to pay some marginal cost, and he can upgrade the model into the 200 megahertz bandwidth. So now let's come over here. Now this is a upcoming product what we have. This is a Windows based product, and the sampling rate is 10 giga samples. The memory is 1 giga, and the bandwidth is 2 giga. So this is the best product what we have, and it is having a touch screen. I can change this thing, I can move this, I can move this, and in the four channel oscilloscope. It also has the built-in two-channel waveform generator, and it also has a 16-channel digital logic and analyzer. So that is one of the best promising product, which demonstrates the capability of our strength into R&D, that we have 2 gigahertz digital storage oscilloscope with 10 giga sampling and 1 giga memory. Another beautiful product what we have is, you can see that this is a waveform generator. This waveform generator is a four-channel waveform generator. So this is what channel one. I can have sine, square, triangular, curves. I can get any kind of waveform over here. If I want, see, for example, if I want to basic waveforms, I can have a sine, I can have a square, I can have a ram. So these are the different waveforms which I can capture from here. If I move to channel 2, so these are the channel 2 GUI, and you can get sine, square, triangular, ramp, arbitrary noise, and many other waveforms. If I go to channel 3, so this is also having a different waveform. If I go to channel 4, you can have different waveforms. You can see the modulation. So for example, if I go to channel 1 and if I go to modulation types, so you can see that it has amplitude modulation, double sideband amplitude modulation, quadrature amplitude modulation, ASK, FM, 3 FSK, 4 FSK, PM, FSK, BPSK, QPSK. So almost all modulations you get over here. Then if I go into the utility, for example, in utility, you can have a digital utility. In this, you can generate SPI protocol signal, you can generate I2C, or you can generate the UART signal. So that is the beauty of this particular product. Now let's come over here. This is another product. Let me go over here and say, now this product is basically a spectrum analyzer. So we are having into this series up to 8.4 gigahertz. So we have a 2.1 gigahertz model. We have 3.6 gigahertz model. So this is the 3.6 gigahertz model. And we also have the model of 8.4 gigahertz. And the 26.5 gigahertz, the next series is into development. That will be soon, it will be launched. This spectrum analyzer is also a touchscreen spectrum analyzer. And into this particular model, what you can have is the resolution bandwidth is 1 hertz. So usually people have the 10 hertz resolution bandwidth, but it has a 1 hertz resolution bandwidth. The screen size is 10-inch and it's a touchscreen display. So that's a beautiful product for all communication lab requirements what we have. Let's come over here. This is a digital multimeter. So we have 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, and Uni-Trend is known for handheld multimeters. But we have a huge range of benchtop multimeters. So this 5.5 digital multimeter is having a frequency response of 100 kilohertz, so true RMS, and its readings is basically the fastest rate is 5K readings per second. And the another model which is coming into line is the 6.5, it has a 10K readings. And accuracy, basic accuracy of 6.5 is 0.0035%. That's the basic accuracy of that particular product. So now you can come over here and see that this is a waveform generator. Now this waveform generator, it's two models into this series. One is 25 megahertz, one is 25 megahertz with power amplifier, and another is 40 megahertz. It has all basic functions like waveform. If you go sine, square, pulse, ramp, arbitrary, you can have. You can also have the modulation. You can also have the AM modulation, FM modulation into this. And this signal I am giving it to so that entry level model 25 megahertz and 40 megahertz. Now, if we come over here, so if I just switch it on from here, you can see that this is the oscilloscope. Now this oscilloscope is into the function track kept into the sweep mode, so signal is swept onto this lane. Now this 3000 series, we have 300 megahertz and 500 megahertz model. It also has a logic analyzer option that you can go for MSO. It also has a 2-channel built-in waveform generator. The memory of most of the oscilloscopes start from 56 megapoint memory. And we have some higher memory oscilloscopes as well, like I have seen into the 2 gigahertz, that is having the 1 gigahertz, 1 gigapoint memory. Now, if we come to another series over here, this is a 2000 series. Now you can see that this is having a built-in waveform generator, just like the same oscilloscope. It's a 2-channel built-in waveform generator. And the beauty of Uni-Trend product of this oscilloscope is that we provide built-in 2-channel 50 megahertz waveform generator. This product is again a touchscreen. So this is a touchscreen product. Now if I just simply set this AWG, now if I go select, say frequency, if I select the frequency, now there is a numeric keypad which we have provided. Usually people don't provide it. So I just simply place a 50 and then I select 50 megahertz, select a 50 megahertz, and you can see that this is a 50 megahertz waveform which I can see on the oscilloscope. So this has been given from the back. So this is what I am having. And you can see the sharpness of all Uni-Trend oscilloscope. The noise flow is very, very less. So that is the reason you get a sharp trace onto the oscilloscope. Now see what compact we are having a digital multimeter. So a very compact digital multimeter. We have handheld also, we have benchtop also, and the 4-wire measurement it supports. So that's a fun, beautiful product what we have as Japanese. Now let's come to this side. So this is a AC power meter. You can measure voltage, you can measure current, the wattage, the power factor, reactive power, apparent power. So this is a very powerful product what we have. Another, we have the battery testers. This battery tester is basically to measure the internal resistivity of different cells. Like we have pencil cells, so you can measure that. So that is what this battery tester is. A very fast moving product what we have. Now if we come over here, say for example, these are the very popular programmable loads. So we have programmable loads, this single channel, but this model supports the two channel programmable load. These are basically the 400 watt programmable load with 150 volt and 20 ampere or 40 ampere current rating and beautiful resolution of 1 millivolt and 1 milliamp. They have the user interface, that is the RS-Photonic interface. So you can connect it with a computer. It comes with a serial program interface commands, so SCPI commands. So you can write his own software for the automated test equipment benches or what they develop. So that's a wonderful product what we have oriented to. Now we have very big power supply range as well. We have the SMPS, we have linear. Both. Then in SMPS we have programmable, non-programmable, and in linear also we have programmable and the non-programmable systems. Now if you come over here, that this is a very compact power supply. Now let me talk about this particular product. We are having this product. It's a programmable DC power supply. The outputs are 32 volts, 5 amps, 32 volts, 5 amperes. Both the channels are isolated, so I can connect these two channels into series or into parallel or into dual tracking. These are the different voltages what I am having, the fixed voltages. I can select from here either 1.8 volt, 2.5 volt, 3.3 volt, and the 5 volts, and that is up to 3.2 ampere. So these are the popular fixed power supply ratings which are required in the electronics industry, into the R&D or into education or into academic. This is these three channels, and this is another fourth channel, which is a USB output, and that is nothing but it is a 5 volt 2 ampere outputs. Now the purpose of this is that if you are connecting an Arduino board or if you are connecting a Raspberry Pi board or you are having any development board which requires power through a USB cable, so you can simply connect a USB cable and you can power your board. So that is what we have a DC power supply. Let me tell you that we have AC power supplies as well, which have been very popular. The programmable loads people are using into their testing, like 40, 50 units. Some industries are having 40, 50 units into their power line, their production line. We have effort test for 5 kilovolt updating. So if you see that, we have a wide range of products. You see that this the product portfolio, you get spectrum analysis with the 6.5 gigahertz with a resolution bandwidth of 1 hertz to 8 megahertz, a phase noise of 108 dBc, and DNL is minus 161 dB. If you go to the oscilloscope, we have starting from 50 megahertz, but at the higher bandwidth, I'm going up to 2.4 gigahertz. The two channel and the four channel sampling rate goes up to 10 giga samples per second, right from 1 giga sample to 10 giga sampling. We have different models, and memory right from 56 mega point to the 1 giga points. The waveform generated, we are having starting from 25 megahertz to 600 megahertz. Different models are there. A two channel and a four channel waveform generators with built-in harmonic generation facility or three different kind of protocol generation facility that we have. If we go to the multimeters, then we have 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, true RMS with 100 kilo frequency response with 10K readings per second or 5K readings per second, and with a basic accuracy of 0.0035% accuracy. So that models we have. If you go to the programmable boards, we have 150 volt, 20 amperes, and 40 amperes, but maximum of 400 volts. Programmable boards we have with a PC interface. And similarly, we have the power supply rates. So you can see that all the products which are having a connectivity, we also give a software free of cost along with that. There are some applications of which we are developing. So many a times people can use our own software or else, just like other people, we also are getting a programmable manual with SCPI commands, and you can use of SCPI commands and they can develop their own software. So for today, I must say thankful to the all electronic fraternity of India who visited over here at our booth and motivated us by appreciating our product, the features, the product specifications, and the cost effectiveness of our products. Let me tell you honestly, our products carry 3 years warranty against manufacturing defect on back-to-bench basis, but we are always here to provide support even after the warranty. So let our product be a part into your production, be a part into your education, be a part into your research. This is what I request. If you have any inquiry, please log on to our website and focus your inquiry. Bye bye to you. Look forward for your good support. Thank you so much.